Hello students, today we are going to complete exercises of poem 10th, The Butterfly and the Caterpillar. Comprehension A. Read the lines from the poem and answer the questions. So first line from poem. Horrors! The butterfly exclaimed. This must be stopped. I am ashamed. And question A. What is the butterfly horrified and ashamed of? Answer. The butterfly is horrified and ashamed that someone as beautiful as attractive as it should have to live in the same world as that of the caterpillar, who is both hideous and disgusting according to him. Then B. Why did the butterfly have this reaction? Answer. The butterfly had this reaction because it thought that it is beautiful and the caterpillar is so ugly that it had no right to exist, at least not in the same world as the butterflies. Next question. Which human quality does the butterfly have and why? Answer. The butterfly has the human quality of pride, and it is because he feels he is the most beautiful creature in the world and there is no one else like him. Then second line from poem. 8 days ago, young butterfly, you warmed about the same as I. Question A. According to the caterpillar, what was the butterfly's condition 8 days ago? Answer. According to the caterpillar, 8 days ago, the butterfly's condition was the same as the caterpillar's. 8 days ago, the butterfly too was ugly and hideous and crawling around like the caterpillar. Then next question B. What will the caterpillar be a fortnight later? How? Answer. A fortnight later, the caterpillar will be a gorgeous butterfly because it will go through the transformative stage of being a pupa and then break out of the cocoon as a beautiful butterfly. आप लोगों ने बटरफ्लाई की लाइफ साइकिल पढ़ी होगी ना, तो आपको ये सारी चीज़ें ध्यान में आ जाएगी. Then C. What does the caterpillar eat now and what will it eat later? Answer. The caterpillar eats leaves day and night for it needs to build up strength for the pupa and cocoon stages when it will not eat anything. As a butterfly, it will eat the pollen from the flowers. Then next. You in your livery so gay, and all the gaudy moths and millers are only dressed up caterpillars. Question A. What is meant by the butterfly's gay livery? Answer. The butterfly's gay livery refers to its colorful and beautiful wings, which are like the clothes it wears. B. Why are the moths termed gaudy? Answer. The moths are termed gaudy because some of them are extremely colorful and very bright, and vivid colors are displayed on their wings. Next question. Why are the butterflies, moths and millers only dressed up caterpillars? Answer. The butterflies, moths and caterpillars are only dressed up caterpillars because they were all started life as caterpillars and are just grandly dressed now, but in their hearts are still creepy, crawly, hideous and disgusting caterpillars. Then B. Answer the questions briefly. First question. Where were the butterfly and the caterpillar? Answer. The butterfly was sitting on a spray of blossoming hawthorn and below him a caterpillar was crawling along on the garden wall. Second question. What was the butterfly doing one summer morning? Answer. One summer morning, the butterfly was sitting on a spray of blossoming hawthorn and sipping and drinking nectar from the thorn blossoms. Then third, is the butterfly reaction to the caterpillar normal? Answer. No. The butterfly's reaction to the caterpillar is not normal because the butterfly had also started its life as an ugly caterpillar. Fourth question. What is the caterpillar's prediction for his future? Answer. The caterpillar predicts that within a fortnight he would have two wings which would carry him to brighter blooms and lovelier lures with colors that outrival the proud butterflies. Next question. What is common between the butterfly and the caterpillar? Answer. The butterfly and the caterpillar have one thing in common. They are both caterpillars, one with wings and one without wings. It is just a stage of evolution that the butterfly has already gone through and the caterpillar will go through. The next question. What lesson does the caterpillar teach the butterfly? Answer. It tells the butterfly that it should not be proud and contemptuous because the caterpillar will also one day be like the butterfly. So, the butterfly need not be so proud and arrogant. Next question. Do you think the moths and millers are also vain about their looks? Your reasons for your answer. Then answer. No, I don't think so because there are all types of people in world. Some are very beautiful, some are ordinary, while others are downright ugly. But one should learn to see the inner beauty of their soul and not react to their external appearance. Next question. C. Think and answer the questions. First question. What does the hawthorn bush think of the butterfly and the caterpillar's interaction? Answer. The hawthorn bush most probably thinks that the butterfly and the caterpillar are both stupid. Both of them don't realize that they are the same species and have the same past and same future. Next question. The caterpillar should have been completely humiliated by the butterfly, but he decides not to remain silent and fight back instead. What does it tell you about the caterpillar? Answer. The caterpillar could have been completely humiliated by the butterfly, but he decides not to remain silent and fight back instead. This tells us that the caterpillar is very brave creature and has the courage to fight against persecution. When one is bullied or ragged, one must always fight back bravely. Third question. If you were the butterfly, what change would you undergo after the caterpillar's statement? Answer. If I were the butterfly, I would change a lot after the interaction within the caterpillar. I would become less vain of my looks and more tolerant of others and respect others regardless of their looks. Last question. Do you believe that humans have the potential to transform themselves like caterpillar? Answer. Yes, I believe it. Human beings can change and grow positively and create a new personality and a new life for themselves.